These four tools can help make your healthcare marketing more accessible, ensuring everyone, including people with disabilities and older adults, can engage with your services effectively. Hi, my name is Jourdan Saunders, speech language pathologist, CEO of the Resource Key. We've helped over 300 organizations integrate inclusive and accessible systems. When your patients feel included and valued, you build lasting trust, improve loyalty, and stand out in a competitive market. Tool number one, Wave Web Accessibility Evaluation Tool. This scans your website for accessibility issues like alt text, like missing alt text or hard to read content, and provides a report as a starting point. Tool number two, alt text. For images, this ensures people using screen readers can understand the visuals on your website and social media. Most content management systems like WordPress, Squarespace, and social media platforms have built-in options to add alt text. Tool number three, a color contrast checker such as WebAIM. This ensures your text and background have enough contrast, making your content readable for everyone. Tool number four, closed captions, such as what you would see on YouTube. This improves accessibility and overall engagement for all viewers viewing your video content. Comment below if you'd like the link to a key handout with the full list of tools to help make your healthcare marketing more accessible.